A successful kidney transplant for a Madagascar guest. Mr. Joseph from Madagascar approached us for a kidney transplant surgery. We advised him to have his surgery, the kidney transplant surgery, at Max Hospital, New Delhi, under Professor Dr. Anand Kumar, who is also the chairman of kidney transplantation program at Max Hospital, Delhi. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. You can send your queries related to kidney transplant in India on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971986258. After receiving medical report of Mr. Joseph and his donor sister, we asked them to scan and email their passport and that of their medical attendant for coming to India. We sent them a visa assistance letter and treatment offer letter with all the logistic detail for their coming to India. We picked them from the airport on their arrival at IGI Airport, New Delhi, and brought them to Max Hospital, Saket, New Delhi, India. After initial screening at the Max Hospital, we prepared for organ transplant committee approval. Awaiting for approval of organ transplant committee. Once all the initial tests for the patient and the donor were done and they were found fit for the kidney transplant, an approval from the organ transplant committee appointed by Government of India, we admitted them in hospital for surgery. Surgery went smoothly for both of them. Donor being discharged from the hospital post successful kidney donation. Mr. Joseph post the successful kidney transplant surgery, recuperating in his isolation ward at Max Hospital, New Delhi, India. CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant in India. Mr. Joseph being discharged from hospital post a successful kidney transplant surgery. You can see the smiles on the faces. Her daughter is there in the picture as well as his son-in-law. Time to return to Madagascar as a healthy person with Professor Dr. Anand Kumar post the final review. For every query regarding kidney transplant in India, you can trust the name CMCS Health. You can send your queries related to kidney transplant in India on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971 986258.